Hi, this video is one of two parts for the crank assembly. So this one is for just the drawing of the parts. Okay. While Fusion is loading, I can show you in Google Classroom. There are several drawings here to go with, and we're going to do is the base. All these drawings are pretty easy. They're all in inches, so make sure that you are in inches. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and start a sketch, and we're going to go ahead and start with the bottom. At this point, it doesn't really matter too much if you get the right plane, but I would still strive for that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. Okay. And according to the plan, it is 1.5 by 1/2 inch. So let's go ahead and measure that. I'm going to go a little bit faster in this video. You should be a little bit more comfortable working with Fusion. Okay. There's our square, 1.5 by 1/2. Let's go ahead and finish this. And we're going to extrude it up 1/4 of an inch. Okay. And let's get out of that view. There we go. All right. So on the back side, we're going to create a sketch right on this plane or this surface. Okay, we're going to do a circle. I'm going to do another circle inside. And then I'm going to bring the line straight down. Make sure it's straight. Okay, here, down. Okay. Since I got the tangent here, I'm going to get the tangent on the other side. All right. And let's just double check to make sure that these things are straight. There we go. All right. And then we want to clip the bottom part out. All right, dimension-wise, the outer one is a 1/2 inch. The inner one has a diameter of 1/2 inch. Okay, so this one is 0.5. This one is also 0.5. Okay. Height is 1/4 or 3/4 of an inch. So we're going to click right here in the center, down here, over 1/4 or 3/4. And we want to make sure we got the little space here that it's 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to go here and here. And it looks like we're already 1/4 of an inch. All right, finish sketch. Extrude it. Now, as we see the arrow coming this way, so we need a negative. And it's negative 1/2 inch or 1/4 of an inch. So negative 0.25. This takes care of our first base. Okay. But we want to create this as a component because we're doing assembly. So under body, we have our one body. We're going to right click and hit create component from body. And now there's our body now become a component. So let's go ahead and change this name. And I'm going to change it to a face. It's easier to talk about. Okay. So let's go ahead and turn that base off because we're not going to need it right now. Okay. Our next one, let's go ahead and we'll just go right to the side here. Let's go with the crank. Okay. So it is 5 inches from corner to corner, or from center to center. And then we got these two radius and a diameter. All right. You're going to create sketch, hit a plane. And this time we're going to go to create, come to slot, center to center. I'm going to pick one center, go straight over, pick another center, and draw out my bar. Okay. From center to center, it is 5 inches. So let's do 5. Okay, zoom out a little bit. Okay, the outer radius here is 0.5. Do a circle here out, which is 0.5. And we're going to do another circle here, 0.5. And finish. Extrude. Make sure you hit this inner part. And then 0.25. Then I finish up the crank here. So again, we're going to right click on the body, create, and there it is. Click, click. And we're going to make this the crank. Okay, we're going to turn that off. I take care of the crank. Next is the rod. It's the same thing, but it's 12 inches. All right, so we're going to do create, hit a plane, and we'll do the same process over again. Slot, center to center, slot, center to center. Bring it out. Okay. Dimension from here to here. It's going to be 12 inches. It's going to be really long. And this is 0.5. All right. So let's see if we can see everything now. There we go. We got 2 circles again on the side. They're 0.5 in diameter. Do that one more time. Okay. Check. Yep. We're going to finish. Extrude. Again, we're going to hit this center point here. 0.25. Come over here, right click, create component. And let's rename this one as the rod. So we'll go ahead and turn that off for now. We got one more to go. Okay, this is the slider. And we're going to go into Fusion, Sketch, click. Okay. Bring that out. This actually has a diameter of 5. Let's just go ahead and go 5. Finish. Extrude 4 inches. We're going to click on our surface here. Create a sketch. There we go. Do a rectangle. Do that rectangle around the origin here. Okay. It is 3 inches tall, 2 inches wide. Okay. 3 inches tall, 2 inches wide. We got center this. We're going to use this point. So I'm going to use the upper point and the center. Okay, half of 2 is 1. Same 2 points again. This time take it over to the side. Half of 3 is 1.5. Nice and centered. Finish. Okay, and then we're going to extrude it inwards 3 inches. Okay, extrude here, -3. All right. So again, we're going to go over here, right click, create sketch, or create component, click, click, and slider. So now we could turn all our components back on. Now, because they are components, we can grab them and move them off to the side where they're not stacked up upon each other. All right. If you have any problems, let me know. Again, this is one of 2 parts. Don't forget to save. And I'll see you in the next video.